Hi everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another quick video. I would like to say welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to everybody who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one. Thanks for always coming back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, watch my entire video, and leave some comments as well as thumbs up. All those things help. Now, I found a deal at Walmart on these Woodwick candles as well as the wax melt. Now, these wax melts wasn't supposed to be on the deal, but they had them in the wrong spot, so I was able to get all of these for $1.50 each, and I got 12 of them. Regular price is basically $5. They're like $4.68 or something like that. Yeah, I was able to get them all for $1.50 each. Super good deal. And these wax melts, and I got this little thing right here, y'all. This little snuffer. I was just trying to keep them from falling on the floor. But the melts is amazing. Before I actually found this deal, I actually had bought two of them. I had bought the Coastal Sunset and I forgot, and I think I bought Fireside as well. I used two of these on my bus. I put them in a plastic bag along with a piece of paper towel, and I just put them like over next to the heat so they could melt and scent the whole bus. Oh my God. The throw on these wax melts is amazing. Super strong. Also, it has the notes on the front. I'm not going to go through all of these. As you see, that one, bean, white tiki or teak, pumpkin butter. Sorry, I gotta. Actually, I should have my studio lights, to be honest. Humidor. Cinnamon chai. Fraser Fair. And these three, like I said, is vanilla bean and two Fireside. I'm sorry, y'all. I keep this. I got a shadow, and it's a shadow. I probably should move it like that, maybe, or put it up. And wood smoke. And if you need, just pause the video so you can actually see what notes is in these, because it's like right on the top. And then I was able to get the Calypse candles. These are 16-ounce candles. Fireside, pumpkin butter, yeah, humidor, cinnamon chai, Fraser Fir. Yeah, I was able to get these for 13. Some was 13. I forgot which ones was 10 and which ones was 13. Amazing. These candles retail for $29. As you see, this is the Yankee website, because this is a brand that's owned by Yankee. You could just Google Woodwick candles and it'll come up, but it is a company that's owned by Yankee Candles. Sorry, my computer just keep on buzzing. As you see, the candles are $29.50. At Walmart, they retail for $24, I believe. So, for my camera is doing like weird stuff. For some reason, the lighting is off, and it could be because of the color of the stuff that I'm showing. But yeah, these are 16-ounce candles in an Eclipse container, which these things are heavy. As you see, it tells you a little directions on how to use these. And these also has like the crackling noise sound, almost like a wood fireplace is going. And they're supposed to be highly scented. The throw on these is supposed to be amazing. Let's look at the wax. As you see, that's the Woodwick in it. And I think it's made with paraffin and soy blend wax. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. These nice packaging, heavy packaging, wooden lid. These candles are really, really nice. From what I read, they're supposed to burn up to 150 hours. Now, I don't know for sure if that's, you know, the real deal. I don't know, because this is my first time ever having a Woodwick candle. So I basically I don't know anything about them. But I was so happy to get these candles for $13 and $10. I think I got like 2 or 3 of them for like $10, but the other ones were like $13. And they also have them in the hourglass, as well as they have the trilogy. The trilogy candles has like 3. What is going on today? The trilogy candles has like 3 scents in it, as you see from this one. Yes, it has like 3 different candle scent. You probably can't tell this, but this is yellow, and then this gets a little bit darker yellow, and then it goes into the orange. But yeah, I would love to have this one, but $26, can't do that, won't do that. So yeah, this is like, they call these like the hourglass, I think. Yeah, hourglass. These are the large ones, and they also have like the mini ones, as well as the medium size. And like I said, all of these candles is very expensive, $26, and I was able to get them for like half the price, a little bit under half the price. Amazing. And sorry about the lighting, because as I see, it's coming up very yellow, very, very warm tone. So I just really wanted to come in real quick and tell y'all about these candles I got. So if you interested in these Woodwick candles, go to Walmart, go in the home department, and look for these candles, because they're on clearance, and mine wasn't marked. So if you have the Walmart app, you could just scan it to check the price and see exactly which one's on sale, or you could always go to the little scanners that they have in the store. But $13 or $10 for these is a really, really good deal. And they also had some other items that I wanted to get, but I could not find them. They had this coastal one, but I could not find it. I wanted that one so bad. And they had the, oh, it's not even on here. They had the white, this white, nope, I don't even, oh, they had this one. They had this one in the Eclipse too, but I could not find it. The store said that they had it, but you know how Walmart is. They ain't trying to find or look for nothing. If it ain't on the floor, they gonna tell you we don't have it and everything is out, which is crazy. Don't know what to me, but this was a good deal. So like I said, if you want to try these candles, now is the time to head to Walmart and see if you can find these. If you're not sure about a fragrance to get, I will go with this one. I will get this Coastal Sunset. It smells amazing, and it smells like something from Bath and Body Works, but I cannot put my finger on it. At first I was thinking, well, maybe it's the Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume that this smells like, but I don't think it's that. And then I was thinking it might be that that pink lilac candle, or is it lilac? I think it is lilac. That pink lilac candle is not that. This one most definitely has floral notes, as well as that sweet note. This one is really, really nice. Really nice. You will not go wrong if you get this one. They say that this one smells like mahogany tiki wood. Yeah, it do. It does have those same notes as mahogany tiki wood. Yeah. And this cinnamon chai smells exactly like cinnamon. And pumpkin butter smells just like pumpkin pie or sweet potato pie. Yes, this is nice as well. And from my understanding, from what I've heard about these candles, when you burning them in these things, I heard that it give off like a wood note as well, and I'm assuming that's because of the wood wick, because you know that wood wick, the fragrance is coming out of that wood and then it's blending into the fragrance of the wax. So with each of these candles, you're gonna have a slight wood smell. Yeah, and I just took the lid off this candle and I smell it already. Super nice, super nice. This reminds me of Fresh Balsam by Bath and Body Works. That's what this candle remind me of. I'm not sure about this Fireside. I'm not sure about Fireside. It has like a wood note. I can't really smell it because I still smell the other one. But yeah, I just really want to just make this video quick to tell y'all about these candles. I'm actually getting ready to light one, and I guess that video will come out soon. If you tried these candles, this Woodwick candle, leave that at the bottom. Let me know which one you tried and how you like it. Even if you tried these wax melts, let me know what you think about the wax melts as well. I didn't even show the back of it. Also, these wax melts is 3 ounces. And I actually have a, it ain't even, okay, there we go. They're 3 ounces. And I actually got a little special video, like a DIY that I'm gonna do with those. So stay tuned for that video. So yeah, if you tried these candles, let me know that at the bottom. What's your favorite candle? Also, I forgot to mention, if you go to the Yankee store and buy these candles, you cannot get a discount. You can't use coupons on these candles as well. They're going for the regular price, maybe $30. The regular $30 price, I should say. And like I said, the large ones is, dang, I didn't even say that. The large, I think the large ones is 25. Let's see. Yes, the large ones is 26. The medium is like $20, as you see. And the petite ones is like $3. Those are like 1 ounce candles. Yeah. So yeah. All right, leave that at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.